11 Best Exercises for a Healthy Heart. 1. Walking. According to the American Heart Association, AHA, moderate to brisk walking is one of the most effective outdoor activities you can do and is good for heart health. Do a mix of moderate and brisk walking to improve cardiovascular output without stressing the lungs or tiring yourself. Whether you are stressed out, need some air, or want to think of an idea, take a walk. You may take your pet or baby out for a stroll, walk for a social cause, or with a group of friends. It is great for your physical and mental health. 2. Cycling. Biking or bicycling is great low-impact cardio to keep your heart healthy. Research shows that bicycling can help reduce cardiovascular disease, CVD, risk in middle-aged men and women. Another study showed that people who cycled had an 11 to 18% lower risk of coronary heart disease. 3. Playing a sport. Playing a sport, like badminton, tennis, or basketball, increases circulation and oxygen flow and gets the heart pumping, which helps improve heart health. 4. Swimming. Swimming is a full-body exercise that helps improve cardiovascular output, muscle strength, endurance, and fitness. 5. Household chores. Household chores are a great way to keep your heart healthy, like cleaning, dusting, rearranging the kitchen or wardrobe, watering the plants, etc. 6. Resistance band exercises. A study showed that resistance exercise could lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases, CVD, in women of any age and reduce body fat, blood sugar, and total cholesterol. 7. Weight training. Love working out with dumbbells, barbells, and the Smith machine? Well, they are good for keeping your body and heart in shape. 8. Bodyweight exercises. If you do not like to lift weights, you can do bodyweight training. In this workout, you lift your body's weight instead of dumbbells or weight plates. It can include moderate to high-intensity exercises like push-ups, mountain climbers, high jumps and squats. 9. Stretching. Stretching the muscles after your workout routine helps cool them down. Walk or jog to warm up the muscles before exercising. You can also do exercises like touching the toes, calf stretches, and neck and arm stretches while sitting. Stretch for a good 10 to 15 minutes every day. 10. Yoga. Yoga asanas and pranayama are great for improving heart health. They improve muscle tone and lung capacity while relieving stress. Scientists state that yoga is a useful lifestyle intervention for managing cardiovascular diseases. 11. Arm circles. Arm circles are a weight-free workout that focuses on your shoulders and upper arms. It is popular in warm-ups performed during weight training and other sports. People usually do it until they feel a burn. But you may also consider 10-second movements to be one set, and each circle can be considered one repetition. This exercise may also help improve the heart rate and circulation in elderly individuals.